Today, we're diving deep into the Phanteks Enthoo Primo, a powerhouse of a full-tower computer case that's setting new standards in both design and functionality. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you're greeted with a clean and elegant aesthetic, thanks to its refined aluminum front and top panels. But this case isn't just about looks. It's packed with features that cater to both novice builders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Let's talk cooling. The Enthoo Primo comes equipped with a formidable cooling arsenal straight out of the box. With a 140mm fan on top, two 140mm fans in the front, with LED lighting for that extra flair, another 140mm fan in the rear, and one more on the bottom, you're already off to a great start. And if that's not enough, the case offers ample room for additional fans or extensive water cooling setups, with support for up to 5 different radiator installation areas. But cooling prowess is just one aspect of this case's versatility. It's designed with accessibility and customization in mind. The dual repositionable and removable HDD cages allow for more installation flexibility or unrestricted airflow, while the removable drop-and-lock double-stack SSD brackets provide even more configuration options. And with removable front and top covers, installation of cooling components is a breeze, while dust filter removal is hassle-free. Phanteks didn't stop there. They've thought of everything when it comes to cable management, with pre-installed cable management tools behind the motherboard tray that can be fastened and released as needed. And if liquid cooling is your jam, you'll appreciate the innovative liquid cooling mounting systems, including radiator brackets for easy installation and a universal pump bracket with vibration dampening function. In terms of build quality, the Enthoo Primo impresses with its aluminum faceplates and steel chassis, ensuring durability and rigidity. And with support for ATX motherboards, extensive storage options, and a plethora of connectivity ports including USB 3.0 and 2.0, this case is ready to accommodate your dream PC build. In summary, the Phanteks Enthoo Primo is more than just a computer case. It's a canvas for your creativity, a playground for your passion for PC building. With its clean design, exceptional cooling capabilities, and endless customization options, it truly earns its place as the ultimate full-tower case for your next build. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.